Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another exciting and trading session by the Powerhouse Ideas. It's been a long time that I have made any kind of video. It's approximately a week that I have made any analysis video. However, I was very much active in my Telegram channel and I have been supporting you the entire week with very much good trades, like some of the very profitable trades in stock. Most of the subscribers, most of the channel members have made a lot of profit. First of all, before starting this video, let me show you that which is our Telegram channel. On the screen, you can see that these are some of the trades which I gave from 1st July till now. Till now means the date I updated this message. You can see these are the trades which I gave in my Telegram channel, and almost all the trades have hit profits. We didn't saw any kind of stop loss right now. Some of the trades are already due, which are running right now. Maybe any one of them hit a stop loss, but mostly all of them are in profits. Only Radico and 1-2 trade I don't remember are still running, which have not hit the profits. But yes, we are having a good trading in stocks as well. So if you're not part of this Telegram channel, you should be part of it. The name of the Telegram channel is mentioned in front of you. I'll be giving the link in the description. Right. So this is about the Telegram channel, my continuous support to all of you. And for all this support, I want motivation. Now, how do I get this motivation? For getting that motivation, I request all of you to kindly like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you should subscribe to this channel. Because I am making all the efforts to make you an independent trader. Being an independent trader is something which you can focus yourself on your trades. You don't need me. You don't need PHI. You don't need any other YouTube channel or Telegram channel to make profits. So for my motive, for my positive motive of giving knowledge for free, I request all of you for that only like this video. If you find the content over here very useful for you, you should like it for sure. Okay. So a small motivation for me. And one more thing I just remember, like talking to you virtually, that YouTube is asking me to promote my membership. Otherwise, the content, or you can say the reach of the channel, I suppose that it will reduce. So there is a part in YouTube setting wherein it says whether you are promoting your channel membership. So I selected it yes. So for that purpose, I'm telling you that there is a option to take YouTube channel membership, which is only for 89 rupees. I have kept it the lowest because that's not a permanent source of income for me. I am a chartered accountant and earning well. But I have kept it the lowest so that I also follow the norms of YouTube and also this. Now, let us see. And that's not a compulsion for any one of you. I know 89 rupees is not a big amount for any one of you, but still that's not a compulsion. Now, let us move back to the chart and see how market is performing. When I was watching my previous video, I wanted to see one of my analysis, which I did earlier with you. When I was watching one of my previous video, an ad came up on the screen. I'll be discussing what can happen on Monday. But before that, let me tell you that how and when we predicted that market can reach this level. What was the date? Exactly, I said it to you that I see market going up. You can see that video again. I have saw that video just before recording this video, that how I said that market might go up. When I was starting that video, an ad came up on my channel and it said that, are you aware of 3 top secrets of stock trading? If you are not, you have to join that course, this course, etc., etc. The only motive of this channel is to close these kind of paid courses shops. Or you can say, हिंदी में कहते हैं दुकान बंद करनी है ऐसे लोगों की जो paid courses चलाते हैं. So my only motive is to close the paid courses for which they charge money. Knowledge is a free thing, and if we can spread knowledge, it increases with time. This is my motive. Okay? So you have to like this video so that we can reach n number of people, a lot of people, and we can close the businesses of people who run paid courses. And the most important thing is they don't give you any value in that. They charge you big amount and don't give you anything. So like this video for that motive, that we are running a motive that will help a lot of traders. Like this video, share this video. Now, not wasting much of more time, let us go and see when I said that I see that market is not going down right now. It was on 24th of June. 24th of June is approximately 15 days from today, that when market made this kind of candle, I very well said you that this is a Marubozu candle. You can see that video, you can see that clearly. I said if market was supposed to go down and this candle had strength, then it would not have formed these two doji candles. These two doji candles said that this candle does not have that much strength. There is indecision. Then market break down, market again tried to retest, then market again moved upwards. So the area over here which was working as a resistance started working as a support. It was this candle I told that we are not going to a downside. My bias, market has not started going up, but my bias was up. On that day only I said the market might reach this level or this level. And today or even yesterday we have already reached this level. So this is price action for you, that how I read charts, how I interpret charts, and how I was so clear 15 days back that how market can reach this level, and market has exactly reached this level. Now let us start the analysis. My analysis shall be including weekly analysis, multi-time frame analysis, identification of the key levels, how those key levels might react, also understanding the logic behind trading, why we select a PE, why we select a CE. Everything will be made understood so that we can focus on our main motive of closing the business of paid courses. For that, I need your support, and your support is only your like. Now let us move to the main content of the video, that is analysis for Monday and positional basis. For that, I need to go on a weekly time frame chart. I'm moving to a weekly time frame chart. Let us remove all the drawings and see what the chart is doing. I'm removing the drawings. Yes, all the drawings have been removed. Let us go to the line chart. No, let's explain on a candlestick chart only. You can see it over here, that this area over here, I also told you importance of this level in one of the video. I don't remember, but I showed you this double bottom, double top pattern and told you that market can bounce from here, and it exactly happened. Right, so this is price action. This is not magic. This is not something which I can do, you can also do. If you are watching this video very carefully, then you can also analyze the chart just like this. And for your information, who is seeing this video for the very first time, I don't use indicators. I use the chart, and price is the king. So as I told you, the market was forming a double top pattern over here. There is every possibility that the market can go up from here. Market went up. Let us see what we can see on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, this was an important level. The line has not been drawn straight. Let me draw it straight. Yeah. So this was an important level. You can see that this level was working as a support. Then it started working as a resistance, and eventually twice, 2 weeks, it has worked as a support. So mark this level on your chart. This is very important level for an uptrend or the positional movement of Nifty 50. Let me mark that channel for you. I'll be analyzing the complete chart from scratch for you so that you can understand. So I am drawing this level on the chart and marking this level as a very important level. Right. So the level is 15,755. You can say it 15,750. So on weekly chart, we see that some of the important levels which were behaving important in 2021 are still behaving important. This brings an important concept that price, remember its history. Price को अपनी history हमेशा याद रहती है, and it respects that. That's technical analysis for you. Now let us move to the daily time frame and see that what is happening on the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we can clearly see a pattern. Clearly see two kind of pattern, not one pattern. Let me draw that for you. The pattern is somewhat like this. I'm drawing it on the screen. It was a kind of a triangle pattern which was being formed, and we saw a breakout recently. Right. This is one of the pattern which I saw. Then the market is also creating swing lows, and the swing lows are this time higher lows. Let me tell you, whosoever don't know this, whosoever don't know how to trade with the trend, we focus on trading with the trend. Whenever an uptrend starts, the market starts creating swing lows which are higher lows. So this is a positive sign over here. Both these signs are positive, and this breakout over here is also positive. Let me show you this on a weekly chart. Oh, sorry, line chart. And this is weekend. So I suppose you have time to gain some beautiful knowledge and understand how the chart or how price works. Let us go to the line chart again. On line chart, which was not available to you on candlestick chart, we can clearly see that the market created a double bottom over here, then a kind of a double bottom over here, and it started moving up. This kind of pattern is forming after a long time, which we cannot see over here. There was a small pattern over here, but this breakdown clearly said that we are going down. So we will follow the price action. We will not blindly say that the market is going up, but yes, the strength and the pattern over here is showing that we can go up. Now let us move again to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I can see one thing very clearly. I have told about you to you about the triangle pattern breakout. There was a trend line like this. Let me highlight that triangle. There was a trend line like this, which has been broken. That is one thing. There was a gap over here which we have recently filled, and this I told you on 24 June that there is a possibility of filling this gap. We have already filled it. But the thing to note over here is that from previous so many days, the size of the candle was big. But from the last two trading days, the size of the candle has got extremely small. So what does this signify? This signifies that the buying pressure is depleting. I'm not saying that the market is going down from here, but this signifies that the depletion in buying pressure, or you can say undecided move is happening. Some fight is going on. So these two candles say that there is an indecision or the buying pressure is depleting, which we can see over here clearly. The candles were big. Like over here, we saw two small candles, two indecision candles, which showed that the selling pressure was depleting. Same way over here, we can say that the buying pressure is depleting. So are we going down? Are we going down? Are we going down again and closing below the previous low? Let me answer this very quickly in this video only. Kindly stay with me till the end. Let us go to the hourly time frame and study the hourly time frame and what it says. We will be studying the 5-minute time frame as well, which will be deciding the movement on Monday. But before that, I am telling you the entire movement of Nifty 50 and teaching you that how to identify charts. You can see that on the chart, market has been creating higher lows. The market has been creating higher lows just like this. This is a pattern of an uptrend wherein market keeps on creating higher lows. If I show you this on a line chart, this is very clearly visible that market has been moving up. Creating higher highs and higher lows. So right now, what is our bias? You need to identify your bias to trade. Whenever you trade in market, you should be knowing that in which direction you are liking to sit. Now the market on daily basis, hourly basis, and also intraday basis is in an uptrend. So my bias is clearly for a CE right now. What will be the scenarios where I will be looking for CEs and where I will be looking for PEs? I will tell you on the next time frame, that is the 5-minute time frame. Let us move to the 5-minute time frame, that is the intraday time frame. Before that, let us conclude it on a 15-minute time frame wherein you will get a better picture. Why 15-minute time frame? Because it contains a lot of candles. So what we see over here, that from the last 2 days, there is a kind of a sideways movement. Monday, it is expected that we can get a good trending day and we can get a good trade. How to identify that trade? One thing we left, we have to move back to the hourly time frame to identify that. On the hourly time frame, we have to highlight some of the important key levels. We have to identify some of the important key levels. So key levels are those levels. I have told you in the previous video as well that market always respects the key levels, and if any key level is there, market is attracted towards that key level, and key level works as magnet. So before you start trading, before one day, you have to identify the key level. You can see on the chart that I am identifying a level over here. Why I'm identifying a level over here is because this level has been working both as a support and as a resistance. There is a level between over here as well. Why I'm not selecting this is because both the days were indecision days, but there was a trending day before this and we have selected this key level. This is one of the key level on the bottom. On the top, the today's high is the key level. Now let us move back to the 15-minute time frame. Now you can see that whenever an uptrend starts, why I have selected this level, let me clarify it to you. Whenever an uptrend starts, uptrend moves like this on intraday basis as well. An uptrend moves like this. I am drawing the level on uptrend on you. This is the uptrend pattern. This pattern remains uptrend till the time it does not break the previous low. So this is the previous low where the market went up, came down. So this is the previous low. Till the time this level is not broken, we are not seeing intraday negative movement, right? So this is the importance of this key level, why I have identified this key level. Now, what if market opens flat? One more important thing which I think I have left to explain to you. Last important thing, and then we are concluding this video within 5 minutes. Thank you for your patience and thank you for learning so much with us. I have went back to a hourly time frame and let me show you some kind of patterns formed over here. I was analyzing this chart before making this video. You can see the market opened somewhere over here also, and over here. In all these 4 days, one thing was very common. That the high of the first candle was never broken. ठीक है, जो पहली कैंडल बनी उसका हाई किसी भी जगह पे मार्केट ने ब्रेक नहीं किया और उसके बाद मार्केट नीचे चली गई हर एक केस के अंदर. तो क्या कल भी ऐसा होगा? द आंसर इज नो. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस हाई लेवल, दैट इफ द हाई ऑफ एनी डे इज नॉट ब्रोकन, दैट इज an important sign that ऊपर से there is a complete selling, right? So this is something which I wanted to tell you. Market is forming some kind of pattern, some kind of signals which we need to understand. Now let us go to the 15-minute time frame again. We have identified 2 levels. This level, this dotted line over here, 15,750 is an important level as per weekly chart, as per daily chart. Till the time this level is not broken, we are not going into a positional downtrend. Intraday basis mein this level is important. What if market opens flat? So what is the signal? Market opens flat. We are already in an uptrend. We know our bias is CE. We are bullish. But will we be immediately sitting into a CE? The answer is no, because the today's high was never broken during the day. So if market opens flat and crosses above this area and closes even on a 15-minute candle, closes with a proper bullish candle, not a candle like this. If market closes with a proper bullish candle, we can sit into a CE. If market opens flat and start moving down, we are taking PE. Yes or no? No. Because this is an important area. We are overall in an uptrend. We are not taking any PEs. We will be looking for a double bottom kind of a pattern over here, break of the trend line for entering into a CE again. So this is a scenario if market opens flat. What if market opens gap up? If market opens gap up and move above this area or opens above this area, we will wait for a retest, a bullish candle confirmation for a CE trade. What if market opens gap down but stays above this area? If market opens gap down and stays above this area, we will be again looking for a double bottom pattern, then a breakout of the trend, neckline and sit into a CE. So these are 3 scenarios where we will be sitting into a CE. Now, what will be that one scenario in which we will be looking at PE? Till now, you can answer it yourself. If market opens gap down, not flat. If market opens flat, there are every chances that it will touch and go up. Lekin, if market opens gap down and break below this, then we can try a risky PE. The reason is market has broken this trend. The trend which market has been following over here has been broken. It has broken below the previous low. So this is how simple it is to trade markets, and we make it very difficult. If you learned something new, at least one thing new, I request all of you to like this video. This is weekend. Make this video big, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.